Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Maya tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to show you how to create hyperbolic paraboloid. So let's get started. Take a polygon cube, increase the height and depth of the cube to 6. Now go to face selection mode, select this face, go to select, click inverse, press delete on your keyboard. Now go to object mode, move the face up, go to front view, move the face up. Now go to vertex selection mode, select this vertex, move them here. With selected these two vertices, click merge, object mode, move this one here, press F to focus or zoom in. Now press D or insert key on your keyboard and press V to snap the pivot point here. Again press D. Now rotate this one. Sorry, Ctrl G to undo. First go to modify, freeze transformation and rotate this one. Minus 25 degree. Take multi-cut tool, click one point here, press Ctrl plus Shift, again click at the middle of this, press enter. Now click one point here, press Shift and click here. This will insert a point at the center of this 2 point. Do the same for the other. Press Shift on your keyboard and click, press enter. Go to object mode, edit, delete by type, click continue, edit, delete by type, delete history. Now again press Ctrl plus D to duplicate it and rotate it. Lighting, turn on two-sided lighting. Rotate this one just like this. -25 degree. This one 25 and this one also 25 degree. Select the two plane or two object. Go to mesh, click combine, edit, delete by type, delete history. Go to vertex selection mode. Select these two vertices, click merge. These vertices, click merge. This, merge the vertices as shown. Now select this one, move tool and move this one up just here. Select this vertex and also this vertex. Go to object mode. Again press D or insert key on your keyboard. Press V to snap the pivot point just here. Again press D. Modify freeze transformation. Press Ctrl plus D on your keyboard and rotate this one. Turn on wireframe on shaded mode. Channel box, rotate this one 90 degree. Press 90. Again press Shift plus D to duplicate a special. Ctrl G to undo. One copy. Now select all. Go to mesh, click combine. Edit, delete by type, delete history. Go to vertex selection mode. Select these two vertices, click merge. These two vertices, click merge. These two vertex, click merge. Merge. Go to object mode. Edit, delete by type, delete history. See, this is the hyperbolic paraboloid structure which I tell you about. Move and see the inner portion. Press 3 to see the smooth shape. Sorry. Press 1. Go to vertex selection mode. Select these vertices. Click merge. You can scale this one as you like. See. Ctrl G to undo. So thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will see you on my next lesson.